Routing with design rules. The width of the routing is controlled by the applicable routing width design rule, which the software automatically selects when you run the interactive routing command and click on a net. When you're configuring the rules, the basic approach is to set the lowest priority rule to target the largest number of nets, and then add higher priority rules to target nets with special width requirements such as power nets. There is no issue if a net targeted by multiple rules. The software always looks for and only applies the highest priority rule. For example, when the tutorial design includes a number of signal nets and 2 power nets, the default routing width rule can be configured at 0.25 mm for the signal nets. This rule will target all nets in the design by setting the rule scope to all. Even though a scope of all also targets the power nets, this can be specifically targeted by adding a second, higher priority rule with a scope of innet, 12V, or innet or the GND. The image shown here shows the summary of these two rules. The detail is shown in the images in the following two collapsible sections.